Okay, traders. Momentum Sync major upgrade. Look at these signals. Seriously, if you're having a tough time in the markets at the moment and you're looking for high quality Forex signals, all right, let's check it out. Just go back and see what they look like. Euro dollar. Look at that. This changes the game in a big way. Nice. Going back, and it does tend to try to filter out signals that are, nearing a trend exhaustion. But I mean, seriously, which one of these would you not want? So far, it's looking pretty good. Just had this back from our developer, and I have to say, I'm very impressed. Look at these signals, guys. Stick with the major pairs. Some charts are going to be better than others. You get charts that are really choppy and don't trend very well. You'd stay away from them, but like the euro dollar look at this. You could just trade the euro dollar forever. Every single one of these has been remarkable, to say the least, except for that one. That'll happen. Oh, there's two of them. So here's the thing. Let's check out these two signals and why would we not take these trades? All right, and we are going to now nail the strategy. All right, I've just circled them. Let's just throw a little dot under there like an eyeball. There's a buy signal there, and we have a sell signal under here. Why would you not get involved with those? We go to the 4-hour time frame. I'll just show you something here, guys. See this? Maybe I'll just bring the candles back on. Just show you this. Okay, let's have a look at signal number 1 here. Why would you not buy that? Look at the trend on the 4-hour. So that is a no-go. Simply put, just use common sense. It's trending up, definitely, and it's looking like it wants to break this white line here, but don't touch it. Right? So you want the signals when the 4-hour, see this 4-hour, see how it's above the mean? Then that's the one you want. Let's just have a look at this one here. Well, this one, okay, why would you not trade that? All right, there's going to be the odd one that messes you up. But here's the thing, look. See, this was right at the end here when it shifted gears. So you're going to get caught with market manipulation like that when the trend turns around. Okay, that'll happen sometimes. If you spotted that higher low, okay, that might have got you out of it. Right, you may have avoided that situation. Fair enough. But, look, worst case scenario, you just blindly take every single one of these and you're going to do pretty well, I'd say, without a doubt. Yeah, but definitely look at the higher time frame and just give yourself that little bit extra confirmation that these are pretty nice. Look at them. Seriously, I won't have to mark them up, but even that one worked out. Long position there. There's a target. So how do you know when to take profit? And you got that low down in here. You'd probably use as a stop loss. Okay, here's the thing. You're going to close the trade on that signal there, that red cross or the dots. So let's just go back and have a look at these. Sell. And it's up to you. Like if you took this trade, and we'll get into the nitty gritty on Monday. I'll talk about where you're going to set stop losses and what have you. But you got to set an exit signal to exit. Look, see down in here. See these alerts. That's your exit. So that achieved 4 point, depending on your stop loss. If you went with the red dots here with our channel indicator, well, that's a 6R. Let's just say we go with the channel indicator, like in there a little bit under that previous low. You'd want to be a little bit sensible with it, right? Okay, 4R. Be sensible with your stop loss and what have you. Let's just have a look at these signals. Okay, there's your stop loss. And look, your exit's down here. You just set the alert to bail, and that gets you out. Actually, no, there's more alerts that would have got you out down here, around there. So, you got these crosses down here that would have taken you up, told you to close your trade. But it's looking pretty good, and that one we didn't take because it was going the wrong way. This one here, well, okay, let's just say you got taken out on that one. But seriously, and look, see the red crosses? That's your exit point right there. That's it, right there where those red crosses are. And that's telling you to exit here. Nice. Okay, so what do we got? 2R. Okay, there you go. 2.7. this is an early signal here. You might just take profit and then, look for that next signal. Now, here's the thing with this. Like, we're going to use this early in the week to try to catch the weekly trend. I did a video on exiting the week, but I should do another video on entering the week. I mean, yeah, which one of these would you not want to take? Really, really nice. Okay. And here's the thing with this. Like, some of these currency pairs are going to be a lot better to trade than others. You get some of these that have a lot of whippy price action and they get really volatile. You might want to be careful. So you've just got to go through the pairs and go back and see which ones worked. I mean, look, the euro dollar for sure. This one looks okay. I don't mind what I'm seeing here. Look at that. See that? Okay. See? That's what you're looking for, guys. So just, refer back to the 4-hour chart, and if it's looking choppy, actually what you can do with the 4-hour is include the trend bars 12, possibly. Be careful. Now, well, that'll give you some, different alerts, and stick with. Okay, the tide frame is 4 hours. All right, yeah, trend bars. Okay, so these are different alerts altogether. So you just got some amazing tools here. So yeah, coming back to this, there's a sell. Okay, there it is there, right? So you want to be looking at getting involved with that, given that the higher time frame is breaking under the mean here and starting to shift gears. And I mean, just confirm that trend on the 4-hour time frame. Easy. Keep it simple. But some of these signals are actually really nice. Look at that. This is off the trend, the trend bars 12 on a 4-hour time frame, guys. I don't mind any of these at all. Do not mind. Look at that. Okay, looking interesting. Euro yen could be okay. I mean, look, short position, sweet. Long position somewhere. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to show you something now. Okay, there's a buy, but watch out for the pullback. You got to use a bit of common sense here. 4-hour chart, that's the 4-hour, and you want that pullback. But you've got, see the green shaded zone down in here? Okay, it's telling you. Let me show you this. We're going to now add three alert. The first 3 alerts, okay. Now we're going to add all of them. Look at this. So what will happen is this will give you, like the old trend momentum sync, okay. This will give you a lot more signals though. So, you're getting in on a trend here on a pullback, 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 and you just build on every one of these signals. So, I mean, look how many, if you just kept entering these trades on each one of these signals, okay, so you get taken out on the last one, okay? Doesn't matter, especially when you've got all this behind you. All right, we're going to have an interesting week next week. Trend momentum sync has been updated, and that's scary, but we could go back to 1, or just reset settings and it'll bring you back to default. Okay, all right, what have we got over here? See, this is another opportunity here. Just awesome. All right, let's just say you can see that the higher time frame's in a really strong trend. Just come down here and go to town, and while it's green like this and it's trending above the cloud here, you can set this just to take every one of these signals. And I mean, seriously, think about it. Now you might lose a couple up in here. As soon as it turns red, you want to switch it off. Look at these red signals here. All right, so it's pretty wild. Yep. You could go over that previous swing high for your stop loss, if you wanted to. But anyway, that's the trend momentum sync, guys, and I'll be doing daily videos on all of this. Let's just go back to conservative. Look at that sell signal. How sweet is that? Yeah, look at that, guys. So anyway, very nice. You can gain access to this if you head over to my website, VIP. All right, you got 2 options now. You got silver level and gold level. Silver gives you access to the Discord, the Mentorship, the TradingView indicators. You only need Discord. And that, I haven't got the price in here, is actually free for 7 days, and it's only still $29.95. The gold level is next level up, and it gives you access to the Telegram signals, $49.95. So this is suited to trade copy through TS Copier. That's what that's for. There's the links right there. This will give you 7 days, guys. Grab the indicator and see what that can do for you in 7 days, and after that it's only $29.95 a month. Gold, if you want the Telegram signals, $49.95 a month, and that will go up as well at some stage in the near future. So grab this opportunity, guys. The other thing that you get with the silver, you get my Discord trade ideas down here, and these are very successful. They're suited to manual trading through the London and New York session. Right, that's part of the silver plan. Okay guys, so you'll either see the opportunity or you won't. Alright, with that, have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.